This is a look at the programming software for the Tritex II actuators. The first thing you need to do when you open up the software for the first time, you need to specify how this drive is going to be connected to your computer. So to do that, I'm going to go up to View and Network Communication Manager. If it isn't set already, there should be a Modbus RTU connection. If it's not there, you simply say Add Network and specify what COM port your driver is connected onto. If you're not sure what COM port, you can simply go to your device manager on your computer and see what COM port this drive is connected to. If I go for Scan Connections, it's going to go out and look for whatever drive I have connected. It did end up finding one, and it will show it down there. What I always do is, no matter whether it's a brand new drive or an existing drive, I always say read parameters from drive. Here it's going to upload what's ever in the drive, so that way if you have an existing drive, you're not trying to override something that has already been written. Alright, now that I've uploaded my parameters, you can see that I'm online in the bottom right. And then it also shows my position, velocity, and the current of the drive. And I also see that this drive is disabled. First thing I'm going to look at is my user units. Here's where I can set up what type of drive I have. In this particular case, it's a linear actuator. And I can also say, specify the units for distance, velocity, and acceleration. Under System Setup is some of the common global features of the drive as far as setting up faults, comms, dedicated moves, in position, and position limits. First thing I want to look at is my digital I/O. By default, these drives come with 8 inputs and 4 outputs. And I can easily specify how I want these inputs to perform by simply selecting what input and how I want that input to perform. Select the parameter and hit apply. Same thing with my outputs. There are also 4 status indicators on the drive itself, 4 little LEDs. And I can specify how I want those LEDs to perform. And this is useful for, say, operators when they're looking at the drive. If an indicator comes on, you can say that it's in position, ready, warning, or if there's a fault.